So in this video tutorial, we are going to see how to import Excel data to ArcGIS and furtherly convert it into a shape file, that is point shape file. So as you can see on the display, this is my Excel sheet. I'm just opening it right now. So as you can see, these are the information which is available in the Excel sheet: location ID, lat long, and elevation. In order to bring it onto ArcGIS, we need to just convert it into an CSV file format. For that, go to the option file and just select save as and browse. Now in the save as type, we need to give it as CSV and just save it. Once you have done with it, just open your ArcGIS. So close the Excel sheet. Yes, I need to save it. Now it's already saved. Just select the option don't save. So now we need to import the data. So go to the option add data, and here you can see the location conversion. It is available in CSV. Just select it and click on the button add. Now you can see that the CSV has been added on to the ArcGIS. Now just click on open. Now you can see the information. So the informations are correct, and now we are going to convert it into a point shape file. For that, just click the table and go to the option display X and Y data. So here you can see it is already taken the X field as longitude and Y field as latitude. It is always the vice versa of the original. And the next thing is that we are going to go to the option edit in order to give the projections. So I'm going to go with GCS and just give OK. You can always choose your projection based on your study area. And now select OK. So once you have given OK, the process will be starting. Just close it. So we have to just give OK. Give OK. So you can see here the point shapefile has been created using the lat long location from this CSV data. And furtherly, if you need the data, you can just go to the option location conversion, that is this file which we have converted right now. Just go to the option data and we can export it as a shapefile. So just click on the option export data and you can select the output folder and give some names. So I'm going to give it as survey points, or you can give it as survey locations and just save it. So you can also export the data to the current. So now I'm just disabling the previous data and you can see the exported data right now. It has been successfully converted into a shapefile. So if you have any further doubts, please do ask in the comment section. Thank you very much.